Hey, okay, so this is Slides Carnival. I'll put the link in Schoology. Basically, if you are wanting to do your action research flyer and you want a different template, this place has all sorts of templates that you can use, right? So I might look for one just that I think is nice, or I might look for one that sort of matches my presentation, right? What my topic is about. So my topic is education, so I'm just going to type in school and see what comes up. So the first ones, they're sort of general, right? But then I see this one, it's got, sciencey things, a little light bulb, different math equations, art. It's got all these like different little school icons. So, I might look through a few more, but I think I like this one. So when I click on it, I'll have a button here. I get a little closer look. Yeah, I like that. I go to preview and download, and then I'm going to click use as Google Slides theme. When I do that, it will open it here and it'll load, right, to show me a bigger view of it, right? This is sort of the preview. But if I actually want it, I'm going to actually go ahead and click use template. So, yep, that is for sure what I want. I'm going to go ahead and click use template. And then it's a little slow, but it's going to make me my own version of this template. And I can go ahead and make my edits there. I don't need to make a copy or anything like that. Let's see. Give it a minute. There we go. Okay, so I can go ahead and close this site where I got it from, right? All of these slides are going to load. It's got a whole bunch of things there. I can look through the different slides. I'm going to go ahead and close this so I can see them a little bigger. I can look through the different slides, see the different designs, decide, which ones I might want to use for my flyer, right? So something like this, I really like all the colors, but I might not have enough room for all the words that I want, right? So different things like that. And the other thing to keep in mind is that often, right, when we have a flyer, it's not landscape like this, it's up and down, portrait style. So I might want to keep in mind, where am I going to be posting this? What am I actually going to be posting it as, right? Because what we'll do is we will select your slide, right? So say that this is my final flyer. You're going to do file, and you're going to do download, and you're going to download it as a picture. And when you download it as a picture, that is how you'll be able to post it different places, right? And so you want to make sure that when you download the picture, you're keeping in mind that it's probably going to make it at least a square, right? One of the things we could also check out is see if they have page setup, right? And so you've got some different widths that you can do. Let's see what standard does. I'm interested. Okay, there. So it makes it a little more of a square, right? And you can see some of the icons are a little squished, but you can mess with that and see if you like it a little better. There you go. Hopefully this is helpful and you can find a template that you like. Make it look good.